Kugizo Council na Manipur Governor Li Kharjan kasa sambang haira. Maram nga taday da wuivang memorandum misang haira. Guwahati IIM mikhavai Bill Lok Sabali Mayami haira. Leikhayang athor acha Tangkhul Express Pvt about ring opinion in a pamidare. Pauping may sign anang rooms. Kugizo Council na Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phala Li Kharjan kasa sambang haira. Aya Governor Ajay Kumar Phala na Jurajan Purlivada Kugizo Council KZCW Mingin Bingi DC Office Conference holding a sopama. Kalachi Yariwi Kajot Kajang Kasak Khavat Leida Khalei Maram Ngana Khawai Kugizo community na race kasa developmental concerned ngana mikhavai khavanachi. Kazipchi mabamrang lakha governor ina prevana ITBS pingwi prefabricated shim therkat kamia kala relief camp lila vayang. Kugizo Council na memorandum misangda atumna ngaphangda khalei khamataya maram thrata gathum hangjithaya. Atumna boda khalei pingji kangbok pigala jurajan purli electricity capacity matha Amei kala local shongfu repair kasa kala maintain kasa tibai muk shongfu lingalei min khazarwi ning ka khari khaleji yangsang khami hikatha hi zanga kala churajanpur ina chandel kala gangbok pi khangri shongfu develop kasa maramla council jina governor li hanghaira Manipur High Court li michang makasa advocate general hai mikhavai la pohaira District Transport Office kala police jurisdiction thri khangwi khalei mashu mikhavai chandeli neutral kasa deputy commissioner hai kami kugizo kachung District Manipur Public Service Examination Centers hai kami kala katam nau pingwi banda khalei scholarship thar kami pohaira Morally healthcare facilities Mathamai Khawai Hill District wuivang reliable helicopter service Khawai kala John Delhi Imphal River tungli thong sem Khawai la pohaira More College kala Semco College with staff salary area kachang thra pan mihaira the wuivang la mik kazang pohaira Administrative neutrality services sampang kangasa kala overall infrastructural development maramli yangsang kami pohaira KZC Wijanbao Tishuda Governor na yari concern ningajang aina nanamida maram pingji priority aina yangsang miraga chitui mihaira Guwahati IIM mikhavai apong Huira Khami Indian Institute of Management Amendment Bill 2025 che Lok Sabha na Mayami haira Assam Guwahati Indian Institute of Management IIM mikhavai project wuivang center na lupa 550 crore ngachon mira chihaira Semka kahai hitharan IIM Guwahati hi Shillongwi Tili Northeastly IIM kakning asara Bihar Electoral Roll Special Intensive Revision Team Opposition na protest kasa lungli Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan na bill ji introduce salaga voice vote in a clear sahira Draft legislation chubethi shuda paikar ji Assam with special development baggage STP we kayakha sada kazangna Bill jina IIM Guwahati institutions of national importance sada declare sami kala ek chuwa jingli IIM Guwahati with formal board masemrang lakhaina dangda pangshap ot ngaruchi center shokarna kapang kasang miping na exercise sasara kachilhanga Itumna thei by Indiali IIMS magada akhale IIM ek azingli institutions pingji national importance sadakhui Kamjong District Social Welfare Office na yarili kachishat sali kaja Shorkar Pension Scheme ngadaday with beneficiaries verification sagi dalei scheme pingji central with Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme kala state with Manipur Old Age Pension Scheme Chief Minister Widow Pension Scheme hibing with beneficiaries verification sar Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme kala Manipur Old Age Pension Scheme wa jingli kazang bingna verification wuivang documents misang kikachi pensioners with Aadhaar card pensioners maningaka family members with mobile number pensioner card ay nang soda current tarik Mathalak eina kathei newspaper singlaka kaga pensioners with photograph hibing hi misangra. Chief Minister Widow Pension Scheme kala Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme wili kazang pingna verification wuivang documents misangi kachi STC na mikashok ladies income certificate ST or STO na mikashok unemployment certificate pensioner with Aadhaar card photocopy pensioner maningaka family member with mobile number pensioner card ina ngasoda current tarik mathalak ina kathei newspaper singlaka kaka pensioners with photograph hibing hi misangra pensioners saikorana documents pingji rakra pi September tarik kathum walungli misang khawai hanghaira maram hi wuivang official contact number M Romida 883725744426 kala modilal 9863819112 li ngahan ba paira Chanbao hi Kamchong District Social Welfare Officer na mikashok na. Generally, law and order mathamay khavai kala safe sa mikhavai Sinabadi District Police na remote monitoring unit RMU shijin pokhaira. Police official na kahang RMU chili CCTV cameras trada khani connect sa kahaina. CCTV cameras chi mau TPI maram kala Sinabadi Police Station twe kamataya apam pingli pan kahaya system hiwi mangaina officer bingna highway li shokta khalei ji yang pambaida ningmong kapai otsak thekhui traffic flow regulate sa kala shat ka shok tharan ngalangda ngahan kami paira District Police na kahang remote monitoring unit hi atumna policing li technology driven ara shikajin phekar ka khuing asaya surveillance leishonaka highway safety mathaka mai mangwaningla zadung zadwa ka sapingla ningring phamera kala hina highway crime suida mai ngasakra police na ngahan ka atam mazang mai mara yarwe khawung khaba ring phamai ngasakra da Sinabadi District Police na kajihan phongshoka Sinabadi Shong Security Force na lupa crore thrada khani kadawi nishari tukui haira. Intelligence input shurda Assam Rifle CRPF kala Manipur Police Joint Team na nishari phungzat ka sahakari akha National Highway 102 li tukuya. Nishari ji Moria wi eina T Kulant Village Sinabadi ato shong kuivau kida zat ka sana. Healing sunda zingkum Tumrada Panga, Mohammed Sajid Khan, Dobal, Moijing Wimi, Tukwihaira. Anna Pungzat Kasau, World is Yours, WY Tablet, 3.2 kg, Mahindra Bolero Gari, Mobile Phone Gala, Aadhaar Card Authorities na Kwimihaira. Nisharijin International, laying a nongli lupa, crore trada kanishika, Tarada Hanga. Kuimika High Ward Bingala Mibajili Police Station the investigation wuivang misanghaira. ND and BS Amendment Act 2023 wazingli case thasanghaira. Drone technology li Assam Rifle in Indian Institute of Information Technology IIIT Manipur ngashikda watsakhavai mayakhang rock lehaira. Hiwivang Memorandum of Understanding MOU Mandri Bukrili Shoy Sahira. MOU Shoy Kasaji Institution Kanini with senior officials Major General Ravrup Singh, Inspector General Assam Rifle South Kala, IIT Manipur with Director Wazangda, National Security Wuivang Technologies Shijin Kakwili Defense Academia Kangshik with Kankana Chither. Modern warfare li drone system Kankana Hangarokta Defense Operation li technology adopt kasa thak mikhavai terkar kasa phongshokhaira. Ang ranangi chili Assam Rifle Personnel Wuivang Advanced Drone Training and Refresher Course la launch sahira. Assam Rifles ina IIT Manipur ngashikda watsakhavai mayakhang rock shoy kasa ang ranangi chili Defense Personnel kala IIT Manipur Faculty Bing Zangda mi hangjishat na shirukhuya. India with Vice Presidential Election wuivang NDA na Maharashtra Governor CB Radhakrishnan nominate Sahira. Kala opposition India bloc na former Supreme Court Judge Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy nominate Sahira. Vice Presidential Election chi rakra P. Tarik Chukothang Saram. BJP na katan NDA na Radhakrishnan with candidature matang Jishatmiya. Tamil Nadu we mi senior BJP kathana Radhakrishnan na achakum marangachang Maharashtra Governor Otngrut Kriya. Anarida Jharkhand Governor Sasai, Telangana with Governor Additional Charge the Kwisai. Puducherry with Lieutenant Governor Lasasai. Coimbatore with eina Lok Sapali Kanishida Kapangka Kahaya Radhakrishnan hi Tamil Nadu with BJP President na Sahairam. Lakhavak India bloc na non-political figure Kapanghairam. 2011 Kum Supreme Court we eina retired kasa Justice Sudarshan Reddy hi opposition with joint nominee nagaji Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge na chishatmiya. Apex Court li magarang lakha Reddy na Guwahati High Court we Chief Justice Sasa Agala Andhra Pradesh High Court Judge Sasai. Kharge na gahang India Bloc Party Saikorali Khokasada Reddy we candidature league atom haira. Former Judge G. India we most distinguished jurist Ngajaili Kazang awi judgment civil liberties, social justice kala constitutional values uphold kasaminada Khargena Justice P. Sudarshan Reddy Maswatmiya. Iduna Taipai Vice President Phongasa Jagdeep Dhangar na health reason wuivang da marang tarik magada akatang otpam jiho kahaina. Election Commission na Vice President election polling P tarik chikotang langjin sahairam counting la jithang sara. Nomination thasang khawai pay tarik magada akana khanawa zimiksho kala withdrawals pay tarik magada phanga ina tangda sapaira. Latluita ajewe kamataya pauping. Kugizo Council na Manipur Governor Lee Kharjan kasa sambanghaira. Maram nga taday wuivang memorandum misanghaira. Guwahati IIM Mikhavai Bill Lok Sabali Mayami haira. Ajewi pau hiling achang haira pau nga nada kay Nathum saikorali ringkapha kalakhamhai zimek shong sa serna.